Prepare to be blown away as we dive into the incredible journey of Kishane Thompson, Jamaica's newest sprint sensation who shocked the world at this year's Jamaican Olympic Trials, running a world-leading time of 9.77 seconds to win the 100 meters. From shattering records at the Jamaican Olympic Trials to overcoming injuries and controversies, Thompson's rise to stardom is nothing short of electrifying. Could he be the next Usain Bolt? Stay tuned to find out how this young sprinter is gearing up to conquer the Paris Olympics. Kishane Thompson ran a world-leading time of 9.77 seconds to win the 100 meters, Oblique Seville in second equaling his personal best of 9.82 seconds, and Akeem Blake in third with a season's best of 9.92 seconds. It can be said that Kishane Thompson is the biggest mystery in track and field today, due to the fact that he never ran rounds of the 100 meters until the Jamaican Olympic Trials. Since the retirement of Usain Bolt, Jamaicans have been waiting to regain their dominance in men's sprinting, and Kishane Thompson seems to be the Superman that the country has wanted. The world got a chance to see Kishane Thompson running 9.91 seconds in the 100 meters at the 2023 Jamaican National Championship. Still, he did not show up for the semi-final due to injury, which made him miss the World Championship team for Budapest, Hungary. However, he did not let that get to him because he competed well on the circuit, with his best time being 9.85 seconds to place second at the Prefontaine Classic behind America's Christian Coleman, who ran 9.83 seconds to take the win. Since that performance, the world has wanted to see what Kishane Thompson had in store for Jamaica. In the early part of the season, Thompson picked up a shin injury, which led him to miss some races. With those injury concerns, his team at the Maximizing Velocity and Power Track Club, more popularly referred to as the MVP Track Club, made the brave decision for Kishane Thompson to open his season at the Jamaican Olympic Trials. In the 100 meters heats, Kishane Thompson ignited a firestorm by running a personal best of 9.84 seconds while slowing down. This performance did not come without controversy, however. He had to stay at the National Stadium several hours after his performance because the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO wanted to test him for performance-enhancing drugs, which led to him reaching home late. Before the semi-finals, Kishane Thompson's coach, Stephen Frano Francis, mentioned that fans should not expect Kishane Thompson to go too fast because he has a minimal amount of time to recover from the heats. However, Kishane Thompson did not seem to listen to his coach's instructions because he went faster in the semi-finals with a personal best of 9.82 seconds to show the world that he was the one to beat. Come finals time, Kishane Thompson was quite serious and ready to book his spot on the flight to Paris for the Olympics. The race started off perfectly, with Kishane Thompson leading as he tried to maintain his form to the finish and cross the line in a new personal best and world-leading time of 9.77 seconds. Fans created a lot of excitement as Kishane Thompson rushed over to the warm-up track to thank his coach and hugged his mom. He quickly returned to the National Stadium and did his interviews. Kishane Thompson is a humble and hard-working athlete who is poised to do something special at the Paris Olympics. Before we go, we want to hear what you think. How fast do you think Kishane Thompson can go at the Paris Olympics? Do you believe he has what it takes to bring home gold for Jamaica? Leave your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, we are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. This is Caribbean Focus Sports, and we'll see you in the next video.